Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. So in the Arabic lesson today we are going to continue with the Jumla Ismia, and today we're going to study the abnormal sentence structure, and it's a very interesting topic to study. So we know that Jumla Ismia, basically it has three components. One is the Mubtada, which is supposed to come in the it's always present in a Jumla Ismia, and it's supposed to be Rafa or it harf of nasab or its victim. Then there is the Khabar, and the Khabar is always supposed to be Rafa, and then there is Mutalik bil Khabar, which is Jar Majroor, right? And these are the components, and Mubtada is always present in a Jumla Ismiya, and Khabar and Mutalik bil Khabar, they can be present interchangeably together or alone as well. So now we're going to look at these two things, that Alhamdulillah and then Lillahil Hamd. So the standard order of a sentence is first Mubtada comes, it is followed by Khabar, and then it is followed by Mutalik bil Khabar. So whenever something comes before it is supposed to come, then we call it as Muqaddam, and if something comes after it is expected to come, then we call it as Muakhar. So let's look at this. Alhamdu, it's Rafa, that means that this is the Mubtada, and then Lillahi, it's a Jar Majroor, so it means that it's Mutalik bil Khabar, right? So we see that Mubtada is coming first and the Mutalik bil Khabar is coming after Mubtada. So this is a normal sequence of a sentence. Now we see that sometimes it's also said Lillahil Hamd, Walillahil Hamd, right? So over here the Mutalik bil Khabar is coming before it is expected to come. So the Mutalik bil Khabar is going to be Muqaddam, and then the Mubtada, which is supposed to come in the beginning of the sentence, now is not coming there. So the Mubtada will be Muakhar. So Mutalik bil Khabar in this situation is Muqaddam and Mubtada is Muakhar. Let's look at some more examples to understand this. Um, so we see over here wa ilallahil masir. So ilallahi, basically it's jar majroor, so it's mutalik bil khabar. So mutalik bil khabar is coming before mubtada, so that means it's muqaddam. And al masir, basic al masiru is its rafa, is the first rafa, so this is mubtada. So mubtada is coming after it's expected to come, so mubtada is muakhar. Now let's look at this example. Indahu mafatihul ghaib. So indahu, basically it's a special mudaf followed by mudaf ilayh. So this is mutalik bil khabar, and mutalik bil khabar in this condition is muqaddam. And mafatihu, basically this is the first rafa, it is connected to al ghaib, so this whole is the mubtada, and mubtada is basically muakhar in this situation as well. So why do we care about muqaddam or muakhar? Why are we just thinking about this muqaddam muakhar? Why is it important? So it's important because, like, if you see here, alhamdulillah, the translation of it is that praise and gratitude is for Allah, but lillahil hamd, it means praise and gratitude is only for Allah. So basically this is for exclusivity, like exclusive. When you're making something exclusive to someone, then in that situation, the thing that is not supposed, the order of the sentence changes. So when you say alhamdulillah, this means that praise and gratitude is for Allah, but when you change the order of the sentence into an abnormal sequence, that is mutalik bil khabar comes before the mubtada, so lillahil hamd would means that praise and gratitude is only for Allah, so this is exclusively for Allah. So same is the case in the next condition, like indahu mafatihul ghaib. So indahu, basically it's mutalik bil khabar is muqaddam, and then this is the mubtada is muakhar. So the translation will be that gateways to the unseen, gateways to the unseen are only with him, are only with him. Indahu, so indahu came before, so this means that it's exclusively for him, that the gateways of the unseen, the mafatihul ghaib, or the keys for the unseen, are only with him. So this if it would have been that mafatihul ghaib indahu, then it would be gateways to the unseen are with him. But when we brought indahu before this, we made it muqaddam, then it is exclusively with him it lies. So now we see over here ilallahil masir. So ilallahi, basically it's mutalik bil khabar and it became muqaddam, so that means also it is exclusive, so the return is only to him. So this is al masir is return, so the return is only to ilallah. So if it would have been that al masiru ilallah, then it would be that return is to Allah, but ilallahil masir means that the return is only to Allah. So see, by changing the sequence of the in which the order in which the mubtada or the khabar or the mutalik bil khabar, the translation, it also changes. So it's very interesting to know this, and tomorrow inshallah we'll do some more examples to understand this even more. That's all for today. Fi aman Allah.